Hey, it's Scott Young here. If you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research on how to do web marketing with TikTok. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you the exact 10 steps you need to take to succeed in web marketing with TikTok. TikTok is kind of the new kid on the block in social media, but it's absolutely attracting people in droves. And anywhere people are online, web marketing could be used to build an audience and generate an income. You often hear people say, well, TikTok is mostly used by super young people that don't have a lot of money to spend. But the stats actually show that TikTok users are evenly split across ages from 20 to 50. So there's really a huge opportunity there for web marketers in many niches. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build a following and generate leads as a web marketer. But I'm assuming that you already know the basics about web marketing. You picked a niche, you picked a high quality product or maybe your own product to promote, and you have a sales funnel set up to convert the leads you get from TikTok into sales. Now, if not, I'll link to another video I've done where I'll explain all the basics. Now, before we jump into it, I want to let you know about my number one recommendation for making money online right now, and it actually works amazingly well on TikTok. So I'll drop a link below this video in the description, and if you want, you could check it out. All right, now I'm going to cover 10 steps that will virtually guarantee your success on TikTok as a web marketer. And then I'll say a few quick words about the TikTok algorithm itself. Let's get into it. Number one, make sure that you don't use a business account because business accounts are commercial on TikTok and you won't be able to use trending sounds. And trending sounds are a big key to going viral. And going viral is a big key to success on TikTok as a web marketer. Now, it's tempting to switch to a business account because you could put your link in your bio right away. And pointing users to your bio link is actually the primary way to send people to your sales funnel. But you'll actually find much more success using trending sounds and trending videos to quickly build up your followers to 1,000 people. And that's when TikTok unlocks the ability to put a link in your bio. Number two, as I mentioned just a minute ago, you'll want to use trending sounds. Trending sounds will increase your likelihood of your videos going viral. Number three is post 3 to 4 videos per day consistently. Honestly, no one really knows the secret algorithm that TikTok uses or how much you really need to post, but most successful web marketers have found the sweet spot at around 3 to 4 videos a day. And of all the steps here, this one really is most critical. Consistent posting feeds the TikTok algorithm and it will reward you. Number four is entertain and always provide value, but don't directly sell. People come to TikTok to be entertained, first and foremost. And if you entertain and provide value, the sales will always follow. Number five, focus on a niche and stick to it. If you're a web marketer and you're in the make money online niche, for example, you don't want to cross over into the health and fitness niche and start making videos about that. Success on TikTok really comes from sticking to one niche and focusing on it. Now, the exception is if you set up a separate TikTok account, you can use that TikTok account to, go after other niches. Number six, find trending videos and either copy what they're doing, model what they're doing, or tweak what they're doing. If you found a viral video where the person is sharing like this awesome new website or tool, you can make a video pretty much exactly like that where you share the tool and you share the website, and it's much more likely that your video will go viral because that other video went viral as well. Number eight is use a call to action. Now, this may seem obvious, but a lot of people actually don't use a call to action. But the primary gateway for leads to get into your sales funnel is through the link in your TikTok bio. So you really want to figure out clever ways to ask viewers to click on the link in your bio. Now, other ways that people are using is to ask viewers to DM you on Instagram or other platforms. But however you can do it, a call to action is essential to getting more leads. Number nine, you want to direct users to other social media accounts so that you could leverage your success on TikTok into other platforms. And then number 10, don't give up. It normally takes 3 to 6 months of feeding the TikTok algorithm before you really get the momentum to drive a lot of views and follows and likes. So just keep at it. So, as a web marketer, if you put these 10 steps into action, you will get a flood of traffic into your sales funnel from TikTok. Now, real quick, let's go over the TikTok algorithm so you know how that works a little bit. When a video is uploaded, TikTok will randomly show it to like 300 to 500 users in between popular videos. And this way, the algorithm can evaluate if the video is getting attention. And then the algorithm measures how much of the video is actually watched and how many likes, comments, and shares it receives. And then after watching the video, it'll measure how many people follow the creator or use the audio from the video to create a new video. So that's pretty much how it works, but I don't want you to get too caught up with the algorithm or how it works. And don't get stressed if your videos aren't going above 500 views for a while. The key here is to consistently post videos every day. And as the algorithm picks up on the fact that you're a real, consistent, proven content producer, it will reward you by putting your videos in front of more and more users. But it can take about 3 months before this really starts to snowball and about 6 months to really hit a good stride of growth. So I hope this makes sense. I hope this is kind of clicking with you. TikTok is new and it could seem very overwhelming, but if you follow these 10 steps, you're really building a solid web marketing business on TikTok. Now, if you want to get the exact blueprint for succeeding in web marketing on TikTok, the training and mentorship from a team who has actually helped thousands of people to generate a six-figure income with web marketing, and many of those on TikTok, then I want you to check out the link in the description below this video. No pressure, it's totally up to you. Take care.